In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files on OneDrive 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing in to your Microsoft account. Open your browser, go to Microsoft's account page, and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, look toward the top corner for the app launcher, the small grid of dots. Click it to open the menu of Microsoft apps. From that menu, choose OneDrive. This opens your cloud storage, where all your files and folders live. When OneDrive loads, go to the My Files section. Think of My Files as your personal workspace. This is where you'll find the items you've uploaded or created, neatly organized. Next, navigate to the specific file or folder you want to share. You can open folders, use the search bar, or sort your items to quickly locate what you need. If you plan to share a folder, remember that recipients will see everything inside it, so make sure it only contains content you're comfortable sharing. It's also a good idea to confirm the file is the latest version before you continue. When you've found the item, right-click it and select Share. You can also select the item and use the share button at the top. Both take you to the same sharing panel. In the sharing panel, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can include a short message so recipients know what the file is about. Before sending, check the permissions. You can typically choose whether people can edit or only view. Depending on your account type, you may also see options to limit downloading or set additional restrictions. Choosing the right level of access helps keep your content secure and prevents accidental changes. When everything looks good, click Send. The recipients will receive an email with a link to the file or folder. If you restricted access to specific people, they may be prompted to sign in to verify their identity, which is normal and adds a layer of security. Alternatively, if you prefer to post the item in a chat or document, select Copy Link. Review the link settings to control who can use the link, such as only the people you specify, and whether they can edit. Then copy the link and paste it wherever you need. Keep in mind, broader link settings mean easier access, but they also require more caution. That's it. You've logged in, opened OneDrive, gone to My Files, selected your item, and shared it by email or link. If you ever need to change or stop sharing, use the Items Manage Access options to adjust permissions later.